Good morning, everyone. This is a small video that I made while I was upgrading the existing headlight setup of my all-new Thar. After a lot of research, I decided to use the Vaishnu headlight wiring kit and paired it up with the Phillips H4 bulbs, the 130 watt ones. And it turned out to be pretty simple. The first step involved removing the existing socket and the dust caps from the headlights, and once that was done, what you could see is a spring mechanism which holds the bulb to the holder. So we have to press and pull the clip so that it comes out, and we can securely place the upgraded bulb and put the backlight holder and connect the socket, the OEM socket and the Vaishnu socket, the male and female connectors. Repeat the same step for the right hand side, except that the OEM socket is not going to be used and it needs to be securely covered using PVC tape. So that's it about the installation, post which we need to connect the red cable to the battery positive terminal, secure the relay, and ensure that the cables do not move by using secure zip locks. Now it was time for testing and it all worked great. Thanks for watching.